This is a Timber-Aluminium lift and slide door from Internorm called the HS330. Questions we often get asked at exhibitions by clients are, why should we choose a sliding door over a bifold door? Generally, bifold doors look better when they're open, but in the UK, majority of the time, they're closed. So sliding doors really come into their own in the UK. The old sliding doors would be sat on their mechanism constantly, and they're usually closed, so those wheels would come under a lot of pressure. You get flat spots recurring, the doors would bump along. The lift and slide is a new breed of sliding door, therefore the lift and slide mechanism is used only when the door is on its mechanism and opening. You then pull the handle round to the 12 o'clock position, the door sits on its frame, therefore not putting excess stress on the reinforced hardware. So this really will give you greater longevity for a product. It does mean, those mechanisms mean that we can go larger as well. So triple glazed as standard, 48 or 54mm unit, laminated toughened glass available, so it's really secure, beautifully robust frames as well. So it's reaching past 24 secure by design levels of accreditation. Thermally, the door is fantastic, so it reaches passive levels of performance even at these kind of sizes. In terms of sizes, we can go to 2.5 meters wide per panel. We can go up to 2.8 meters in height, occasionally slightly higher, and we can increase the size of the fixed panels like we have here, and we can use glass to glass joints along with glass to glass corner details, and lots of options available. This door specifically comes with the soft close, so if we close the door, it will catch itself there, which is a great option. We also have an electronic drive called the Comfort Drive, which we'll show you in a later video on another door that we have in the showroom. Timber finishes and external finishes are available to match the window. So timber internally, you can have larch, spruce, oak, ash or walnut in varying colours. Externally, likewise, again, we've got marine grade finishes available, so they're great for coastal areas. Likewise, we can give you brilliant air permeability results, excellent weather ratings along with the performance, security, thermal and acoustic performance as well. The other options available, we do have a RAF store blind here, which is a solar controlled shading which sits on the outside of the system. So this is perfect for passive houses or passive projects where people are orienting large scale glazing towards the sun. The solar controlled blinds will drop down and they'll help to control the solar gain and stop the property overheating.